Just like that, we're ready to hit the open water.
If I push you guys off, can you pedal it over there? And I'll just hop on the rocks.
You should be able to just push. Steven's not an outdoors guy and a guy.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Right, here we go.
Well,
that was
we're not floating yet.
Yo, this is so weird. It's like a big ass dude on this little boat, man. Alright. I think I got it.
Alright, you two need to switch. This is fun, man.
Alright, how did this get on?
I don't care who you are, this is fun.
This jumped right in front of us.
The current's going this way. I'm going to get us over here and we'll just drift hopefully right into that little cove. Make sure you get those sexy, muscular, hairy legs. Not chicken legs at all. Sturtability is pretty impressive. Alright guys, we are up here on Goldwater Lake in Prescott, Arizona. We just got out on the lake. We brought the little pedal boat today because it's a small lake and it doesn't take much to get around. We got my nephew Ryder here today.
Hello.
And I got Steven up here today with us. Doing a real stand-up job, Steven. He's gonna be shooting today's episode. Supposedly there's largemouth bass, crappie, bluegill, catfish, and rainbow trout. So we'll see what we get on.
There's some stuff back there.
What color do you want to try, buddy? These tubes are supposed to work pretty good here. So any of these colors that you want.
This one.
You want to try the red and yellow?
Yeah.
All right.
Red and yellow.
Red and yellow coming right up, bucko. Well, we got some rain, folks. So here we are, 10 minutes into fishing. You know, we're safe though, because we got this nice bimini top here. So we're safe, protected from the elements. All right. Yeah, we're just letting the raindrops go by a little bit. I think as long as it's not lightning, we'll be all right out here. So I'm gonna keep on fishing.
Are you getting wet at all?
Yeah, my shorts. I'm gonna have goopy underwear.
Are they? Back there. Yeah, that's a good shot too. Oh, it's really coming down. Really coming down. I love the squeak from our shoes. Alright, let's try and park her right there. See a nice little tree that we can get shelter under over here. You know, things get real out of control. So we're gonna weather the storm. We're gonna weather the storm here, and hopefully we have better luck in about 30 to 45 minutes. Alright, so we're heading towards the shore. It's pouring extremely hard now. We're going to beach this big old boat and just maybe cast out some power bait and let the storm pass. What's in there?
And where? Alright.
So we weathered the storm.
See? Way out there. Oh. Unless she's messing with me and she's throwing a rock. But I know him and I saw a fish.
So we weathered the storm. And we're stoked, but the sun's out. At least temporarily, and we're happy about that. Now if the fish will just wake up and start biting, we'll be golden.
Alright.
Climb aboard, Steven.
Oh boy.
Heading out to the other side of the lake again. We'll find out what's working here.
Yep.
So we had some sunshine there for a bit, but as you can see, it's starting to sprinkle again. Not our day when it comes to fishing, but we saw something really cool over there while we were standing on the bank. There was a trout, rainbow trout, about, I don't know, maybe this long, real skinny, and there was a largemouth bass about this big. It was at least a 3 or 4 pounder probably, just chasing it. So I've never seen that before. That was pretty cool. That's about the most action we've seen or gotten out here. But stay tuned. We will catch a fish before we leave here, right? Okay. Rider's house. Lay it. Hard to catch fish when it's raining nonstop. We had a little bit of time there where it was hot and sunny. Fish were starting to jump, and then bang, rain again. So I think we're gonna have to call it quits, at least at this location. Because, well, it's 4:15, and we've been fighting it this whole time, haven't caught anything. So, until next time, goodbye.